Episode 2. We're Rach, Chris and the kids. We're road tripping through Scandinavia, and in this episode we're in the Netherlands. Let's go.
I've lost my dreams down in the club. I always keep that shit on. My piece looks like a disco ball. I dance like I don't give a fuck. I've lost my dreams down in the club. I always keep that shit on. My piece looks like a disco ball.
Hello, we're just waiting Mum to cook food. She's just cooking it now.
In our previous episode, we shared how a tough couple of months of moving house and losing my dad led us to the decision to stick to this trip as planned. We said our goodbye to Wales and headed off. A summer on the road through Scandinavia felt like the escape we all needed.
I need this one over here. Good night. Large.
Yeah.
Large, baby. As large as that fella at front.
You're always in the large section, baby.
Yeah. Hung like a field mouse. Are you a car? Are you a car, man? Last time we were R14 and we missed it.
Are these even on, these windscreen wipers?
I think we're straight on, dude.
Oh, yeah! Straight on, straight on, straight on. We are in the EUROTUNNEL.
Do you remember last, when we went to the south of Europe, we did miss a EUROTUNNEL, but this year we didn't.
What, would you fancy putting the flipping toilet seat down?
Learning my potty trainer.
Oh, do wee?
Going to Scandinavia.
Have you seen those prices up north though? Scandinavia.
Yeah, we hit the worst traffic on the way up, and it was saying that we were had 10 minutes to check in and get onto the EUROTUNNEL. What else is there to do in the EUROTUNNEL? Right, we'll see you in France.
Netherlands. Let me just confirm. Vogel for Hengstick.
That's the one.
Okay.
Twinkle for Rachel.
Nachtwinkel for Rachel.
Twinkle for...
Like last year. But from one night, you will be getting Wagon leggings. What's in Wagon leggings?
Once again with the renegade master.
I'ma kick back when you fake like that. Head out of the game, I don't play that fact.
Camping the Vogels.
When you fake like that.
My God, the pool's open, the food's open.
Nice.
There's a balance to pay. Hey everyone. We've
The
arrived.
best place to have a look at this place. There's like a water slide. Look go inside. Mini golf. So happy. Look at it. Oh.
And the reception's closed, so we're on the hunt to find someone to check us in.
We've been driving all day.
That's what you hear, babe. Oh, that's a good one. We've ordered some fries.
Yeah. Mine is 21 degrees because it's so cold.
If you're planning a road trip with children, my biggest piece of advice is to start and end with a campsite. We've found it the perfect way to unwind, settle in and get your bearings. It makes the transition into the more challenging parts of the trip, like wild park-ups and limited facilities, so much easier. A good campsite can really set the tone for a smoother, more enjoyable trip.
Hot water bottles. We are in an we'll right here below for you to see the actual name of it. The kids are in bed, asleep. We're up for anything. Got our bed. Chris, you look naked. And yeah, it's been a long day. It's been 12 hours of driving. It's rained all day, so we're hoping for just a bit drier weather tomorrow. The forecast is horrendous all week, so whatever. We are gonna bid you good night and we'll see you in the morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. It's the second day on the trip. Just in Netherlands.
Oh,
How you feeling, Bobble?
I feel good, guys. That's right. Modifications to the van worked really well. The kids' bed's being made up, ready to go. Our new blinds have just rolled down.
Amazing.
The blackout, so we all had a good night's sleep. We're in the Netherlands, somewhere beyond Oostende and above Ghent. Find out what this place, Vogel, to recreation is all about.
I sleep actually quite good with one pillow.
You had a what dream?
Black dream. So it's kind of like when you can't see anything and it's just like a black hole sucked you up.
Wow.
I don't want one of those dreams.
Metaphysical, baby.
I slept really well on my bed and I had a great night's sleep. I'm so excited for today.
Yeah.
See you soon.
And I will see you in the pool.
I don't know
Chapter
what this
2.
bed is made for.
Well done, babe. How long did that take us?
What's that?
Half hour?
Worst case scenario.
It's breakfast time.
The reviews for camping de Vogels were really positive, and on our first morning it was clear to see why. When the rain finally broke and the sun came out, the campsite looked so beautiful. A real 5-star family spot. We had our usual breakfast of porridge and fruit by the van, and after washing up, the boys played on the green outside with the neighbours' kids. These 2-in-1 remote control car crawlers were a godsend on this trip. Highly recommend. They had hours of fun with them. Later that morning, we went off to explore the grounds to see what makes this place so highly rated.
Cheers, breakfast.
Breakfast has been done. We're going to go wash dishes. Shut 3 cans of cider last night. Not because we like alcohol, it was just because we had no fluid and we're dehydrated.
That's us, not the kids.
Yeah, not the kids.
Camping de Vogel is set by a beautiful recreational lake surrounded by green, which is just stunning. The facilities are perfect for families. My kids spent hours playing football on the pitches and absolutely loved the indoor swimming pools. It's such a fun and relaxing place, and there's something there for everyone. It's probably one of the best campsites we've parked at. It even had a petting farm.
This girl is loving Hylo.
No, it's not very nice.
I booked this campsite and I didn't even know that this petting farm was here. There's plenty of space. I'm not gonna lie, it did make my day getting to stroke and scratch some goats, so
Yeah, I hope they have a happy life.
Having the best time on the first day. It was overcast, but we found so many goats. Look at this little dude. So many goats. too close, I think they're going to run away. Here comes the goat again.
Oh, this guy.
I would happily trade our football goal for a goat. A couple of goats in our garden. Please, mercy, Mo, I would do that. I would rather have like a hamster. Casey, I would want to. So good.
So we finished day one at the campsite. We've had a nice day. The weather has been kind to us. It's stayed dry. We've seen some animals, local farm animals. We've been in the pool. We've been chilling and cooking and get an early night tonight because we think we got tired boys. See you in the morning, kid. Take it easy on mama.
Okay, high five, no fist bump. That's good.
Good night.
We spent 3 nights at camp in Vogel and it was exactly the reset we needed. While it might feel a little pricey for a longer stay, the incredible range of facilities more than make up for it. There's so much to do here, you can easily spend your days enjoying everything the site has to offer.
Yeah, we're just packing up to leave the campsite and ready to move on.
Day 4.
Let's go lively.
Day 4.
What up?
He has not been like this all morning. So
Yeah!
Don't be fooled.
Packing down's never been so easy.
God, it just takes so long to pack up when you've been at a campsite and you pull everything out, all the mats, the tables, the chairs, the scooters, everything's on charge because you've got electric. We're going to see the windmills, which is an 1.5-hour drive. And then it's like 2 weeks of wild camping. So we enjoyed our clean toilets and showers and made the most of them, but we're roughing it now for the next couple of weeks. So we're not going to look like this. Just tapping a bar of water. Oh, shit. I'm wondering if you fobbed there, look.
Another big pig.
Gosh, why does it look that colour?
The colour of the cleaner.
I was going to say something.
No solids though.
No poops allowed.
No solids allowed. Who's got diarrhea?
Oh, disgusting. We're back and the fob is charged, so that was the problem. They charged it and that is the sound of running water and hopefully Chris washing away his bad mood.
Fueling 167, €1.67, it's pretty good. Monzo, use Monzo cards while you're away. No credit card fees. Bread of heaven, baby.
Thanks for joining us for the first few days of our Scandinavian adventure and our stay at Camp in Vogel. In our next episode, we're going to take you along to explore the wild park-ups and the stunning sights that the Netherlands has to offer. See you then.
Like a drained seal.
So happy